Hi, I'm recording this session for Briary Energy. In this session, I'll be covering all of the further changes that we have made and in response to the email from BET. Let's begin. The first thing is product configuration in the system that will be done by only the admin or the super user who will have access to the inventory module. Let's create a product in the system. Going to the product menu, we can just click on the products, click new, and here for example we have a service of um, EPC request 13. This service can be sold and we can also subcontract this service, like we can purchase this service as well. Supposedly this service has some subtask, like for performing this service we need to perform some other services. For example, we need to do document review, drawings uploading, and certificate issuance. That's it. Now moving to the general information, what type of product it is. It is a service. As per BE, the invoicing policy is the prepaid and the fixed basis. Like this service is being charged to the customer on fixed price. When the sale order for this service should be confirmed, what the system should do, create a project and a task, just create a project, or should create a task, it should just create a task. There are no customer taxes, we need to just eliminate it. What next we need to do is, if we can subcontract this service, we can just add a vendor, like we can purchase this service from Mr. A, and Mr. A will cost us this service for $900, and we can also purchase this service from Mr. B, who will also cost us for rupees 900, $900. Now we can also subcontract the service. We need to check the box for it. That's it. That's the product configuration. We are done with it. Like I am just testing it from the same user. Like Sabha is the admin user for ERP, and Sabha is also the customer in the system. So that's why I have to change the URL. Otherwise, there will be no need. So now moving how the process will proceed. That's the interface that is visible to the customer. Moving to the work request menu, the customer can give the name of the site where he want his services. For example, it's Square, or what we can say, Packages Mall. What type of services he need in his region, in his at his site. Sorry, it's like EPC request 12 or 13. Quantity for this service required is 1 and the plot number is any random number. Now adding another service, that can be, I have configured it in the same way. It's a final test product and quantity required for it is 2 and any plot number. Here there's an option for the multiple selection, like you can just select all of this because it will be done. Right now I'm having just one document in my PC, so I'm just selecting it. That is document management, choose file. It's done uploading the drawings in the system, and then noise announcements. I'm just saying it again, like batch uploading is available for the customer. Open and done. Now the customer will submit the service and sale order created successfully. Now for the BET, we can just go to the sales module. This module will be visible to the sales team or the person who has the access to the sales in BET. This is the sale order that is being created by sales quotation that is being created by the customer. The customer name is Miss Abba. It's a small client. Its site name is Packages Mall. That's the expiration date. That is quotation date, and it's a document folder. Like this is the attachment where the documents are being stored that are uploaded by the user. Here's the price list. If we define the price list, the prices will auto populate there, but right now there is no price list for it. So what we can do is we can manually provide the unit price that can be, for example, we are selling these services for 1000 USD and there are no taxes. We can just eliminate the taxes. Now the internal user has just reviewed the sale quotation. Now it would be sent by email to the customer and it would be available to the customer in this form. He can just view like what the services I have ordered, that is EPC request 13, final test product, its quantity is 1, its quantity is 2. These are the unit prices for these are the prices for the services requested, and that's the sale quotation. What the user need to do is accept and sign. Before acceptance and sign, the customer will provide the PO number. For example, in our case, it's any random number. Choosing the file, like it has uploaded document BE, and here submitting the PO and then signature, done, accept and sign. As you can see, if we move back to the your order has been confirmed, if we go back, we can see before that there was an option for confirm the order. Now the order has been confirmed and all of the process has been completed. What the BE team needs to do is if they don't want to subcontract any service, like for example for EPC request 13, they don't want to subcontract, before sending it to the customer they want to check off this subcontract service on the product profile. So that's it from now. Moving to the next step, we if it's you can see there is one purchase order against this, that is for EPC request 13. We need to subcontract and we are subcontracting it from vendor A. But if we change our mind, we need to subcontract it from vendor B, we can just select the vendor B. We can select all of the vendors that are available in the system. If we want to subcontract this service, we need to confirm the order. Now the order is confirmed and there is a service note. If we the invoicing policy for the vendor is like when we receive the services, then we create a bill. So then we need to move to the service note. Service note needs ensures that services has been received by the BE team. Here we can confirm the service note, and these are the quality checks that BE team need to perform upon receiving the services. Like what type of the instructions we followed, like what we have to do is we need a checklist, like we have done the document review, we have checked the license need to be issued and all that. Now what we need to do, if all of the checklist is being complete, we can just mark it done, and we can just mark the quality check as being passed. Moving back to the service note, you can review the quality check. It shows you the status is passed. Now the service has passed the quality check. Now what we need to do is moving back to the purchase order, we can just create a bill for the service. We need to create a bill for against this purchase order. Just confirm the bill. We need to provide the bill date for it. That's 6 March and confirm. Let me share one thing, like there will be two purchase order for the two services. If we have a final test product service, we want to outsource it as well, the system will create two purchase orders. Now we need to register the payment against this bill, and we created a payment, and that's it.